Hi, it's Katie with Nature's Mosaic, and welcome to my mom's art nook here. This is my work space. It is actually in my entryway here at my house. Yeah, this is where I do all my mosaics, and this is where I put all of my kits on Etsy. And so some of you might be familiar with the kits that look like this. These are the ones, I sell quite a lot of these. This has a pendant in it. It has the stained glass. It has things for mixing. We've got the Q-tips here for mixing grout and glue. And then we've got a little baggie of grout and glue. What this comes with as well, grab it real quick, is one of these. And that's just going to tell you, about my social media. And then also it's going to have a link that you can go to on my website and find the online tutorial. So you have all the supplies you need, and you're going to have a link to a tutorial that's going to walk you through how to do it exactly. So if you've never done mosaics before, it's a great intro to doing it. And with mosaics, there's a lot of things you need. And you might not be interested in purchasing all those things, but you want to have the experience. Maybe you're getting together with friends, family, that sort of thing. Maybe you're on Zoom having an art night. Who knows these days? But there's a lot of things that you would need to purchase. So, for instance, clippers. Usually, if you're going to do stained glass, it comes in larger pieces. This is actually a smaller piece. Usually, it comes in, 6x6 pieces, and you've got to cut those down. The glue, basically, it's a lot of stuff. And if you're not interested in going the whole 9 yards and getting everything, then just the kit is nice, right? It provides an experience. You get something awesome in the end, and it's homemade and something special and unique. So those are my smaller kits, and today I actually wanted to go over some of the larger kits that I'm just now putting on Etsy and I'm excited about. So I went and found these guys, and I was really excited about this, the longer shape. Usually I find them in sort of a square, but it's got a nice deep frame to it, and it's got that hard back as well. So I took this and I turned it into this. So what I did was I ripped off, that's kind of sad. I mean, it says home, it says something sweet. The other ones say thankful and things like that, but I ripped that part off. And then I flipped it around. So we've got that nice kind of, it's like a wood cardboard almost base, but it's hard enough for mosaics. So the back looks ugly. The front, you're going to cover with mosaics anyway. And then I glued it as well, so it's not going to go anywhere. So this is our base in the larger kit. And what I've done here for mine, I've actually made it into an address plaque. And so this isn't grouted yet. When it's grouted, it'll look a little different. This isn't an address plaque, but you can kind of see how that grout gets in between each crack, and it gives it a more finished look. So this guy will look a little finished later once I grout it, but I want to make sure I give it plenty of time to for the glue to set. So it went from kind of the non-personal, generic sort of home, home decor, to something super personal and something that, I made and that I'm going to keep around. This is my address. Now y'all know my address number. But yeah, so this is a kit that's going to be available on Etsy. And again, just like my smaller kits, it's going to have everything that you need to do this. And I'm working today on making sure that there's an online tutorial as well. So yeah, this is the address plaque kit. You don't have to do an address. If you purchase on Etsy, you can tell me if you wanted to say you wanted to have home written out, and I would make sure that to give you enough tiles for whatever you want to write, whether it's an address plaque or not. So then you would pick, what you're going to write. You would tell me what 3 colors you wanted. So for example, this one I picked a nice kind of golden yellow, and then I've got a light blue and a dark blue. So those are my 3 colors. And then I would go ahead and cut all that down for you. You're also going to receive, with the larger kit, the address kit, you're going to receive your grout. For the larger kits, I'm going to go ahead and give each kit a small little tacky glue, which is all you need for that. And then you're going to get your tiles. And what else are you going to get? You're going to get tiles, tacky glue, you're going to get the base, the frame part, and you're going to get the grout. And you're going to get a grout sealer too, because if this is going outside, it shouldn't go directly in the rain, because I'm more worried about the wood part not holding up. But if it's under an eave, that's fine. You're going to want to put the grout sealer on it. And a grout sealer basically just makes sure that the grout will repel the water and it won't take in the water and then cause your tiles to crack. So yeah, for more information, I'm going to put the link to my Etsy account and my website. You can check out the other tutorials that I've done, but I'm excited to offer this new one because I know I've had a lot of interest in address sign plaques and I just haven't gotten around to it. So I'm happy to finally be offering that on my account. All right, friends, thank you again for tuning in, and I will see you next time.